We buy before the pump and sell up high. Sharing my trades in the private list, I increase the buyer power. So trade recap today, 625%. I just made $62,000. Trades I share in the private list on the last 7 days, guys. Planned, YF-DAI, Alliance Block, TrueFi hiSAND33 is strong. Guys, we trade strong. That's the kind of chart you're looking for. Price go flat, volume spike, buyer power, price uptrend. Let me show you here. This is strong, guys. I shared this trade in the private list. Oops, I'm sorry. I shared this trade in the private list right here on March 5th. We bought this coin $7.20 and you put a sell order right here at $16. I made $12,000. Take a look here. Before the pump, there is a pre-pumping volume. The pre-pumping volume occur around on March 3rd, and I shared this trade in private list right here March 5th. That's what I'm tracking right now. Take a look at this, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. Take a look on this percentage change here. Look how much this coin pump. 193%. FYDAI Finance 400%. Alliance Block 150%. TrueFi 150%. hiSAND33 over 100%, and strong, guys, over 80% profit. That's how you make money. Next trade recap, we talk about YF-DAI Finance. Guys, remember, we trade this coin right here on February 25th. We made 95%. And look what happened again. The volume spike right here on March 3rd. The price was right here when the buyer power increased. I shared this trade in the private list. We bought this coin for $127 and put a sell order at $400, guys. I made $21,000. Pump and dump group made 210%. A lot of new members asking me why you didn't put a sell order right here when the price went up to 650%. Guys, I don't control how high the pump goes. I know the price will pump because we can calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Now, if I'm trying to guess, we don't trade with emotions. We trade with confidence here. So I put a sell order right here. Our get filled. Everybody makes money. Guys, follow my Twitter account. Keep yourself updated about the Bitcoin price. I just put a Twitter yesterday about the possible Bitcoin hit. Next target will be $48,000. Feel free to reach me out if you like to get those trades in real time. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Get yourself on the private list and let's trade together, because together we are strong. If you don't like to trade crypto, guys, you can swing trade. I will teach you a swing trade strategy so you can trade Bitcoin and the main cryptos, okay? We respect the market. We only trade coin on the high volume, guys. You see all the markets crashing because Bitcoin is going down. It's going down the last 7 days, almost 6%. Bitcoin is going down. You gotta respect the market, guys, okay? Let me show how this thing is done. Volume spike plus buyer power. Let's open volume spike here. Let's see what's spiking right now, just to give you an example. You see the percentage is 0 here because this software update every 15 minutes. So let me give you an example here. In order to the coin fell here on the volume spike list, the volume need spike at least 100%. Let me take this coin here, Chromotech, and the symbol is time. Copy. Let's go right here on this chart, put it here, time, Coinbase, right here. Take a look how much this coin pump, guys. You see the volume spike right here. The volume spike from 204 up to $4,000 in volume. The volume spike plus $8,000. The volume is still low, guys. We need a combination of volume spike plus buyer power, and I like to trade coins with at least $1 million in volume, okay? Right now, Chromotech has $1 million in volume. Now I start to look this coin with another eyes. But remember, volume spike plus buyer power, that's the combination of the pump. Feel free to reach me out. If you don't like to trade crypto pumps, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com is the way to go. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. I'd like to say welcome to our new members, Nicole, Eric, Gary, and Jacob. Okay? And let me know if you like to get yourself on the private list. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.